Here's how we can make a shared document, Word document on the iPad. Let me show you some ways how we can do this. If you are first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So as I say, there are more ways to do it. Personally, if it's like sharing between Apple devices or sharing it with someone who also has an iPhone or iPad, I usually default to the Apple Pages app because you can open up this text editor, and of course you can work with Word documents or any other file types, and you can even start a brand new one, whatever. And the point is that once you are finished with the editing with your part of the job, for example, you're going to click on the share button, and instead of the send copy, you are going to click on collaborate. And what this is going to do is that it's going to upload the document to the iCloud, and it will allow you to get a link, which is a shareable link, which you can then just copy and paste to a message thread or send it over email, and the other party will be able to continue with the editing process. As I said, it will be through the Apple interface because we're using Apple Pages. So yeah, it may not be ideal for everyone, but it can get the job done for a lot of people. So that is one option. Other than that, I would just go with the Google Documents. That's like the multi-platform option. So you can as well just open up a Google document as such. And the point is that you can as well just click on the more options, tap on share and export, and tap on manage access. And you can choose that anyone with the link will not just be the viewer, but also the editor. And then you just copy the link and perform the very same thing of like sharing the link access to somebody else, and they will be able to continue working with you on that Word document. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll catch you later.